Suddenly it's like let go, I think. Bhoot sawar ho gaya kind of a thing.
But you had fun?
Oh, I had a blast. I think the practice was more. Actually, no. I had fun performing that day as well because it was like, oh my God, let's hold hands. And it was actually quite juvenile, if you ask me. But
Juvenile means young or relating to children. It can also mean childish or immature. मराठीमध्ये juvenile म्हणजे अल्पवयीन, लहान मुलांशी संबंधित किंवा बालिश.
Parents have always been so condescending to us that this is our confidence when they did it to us. Imagine if they were not condescending, we would have really been rotten eggs,
Right.
But it's always been condescending, Oh, like my mother, all condescending to us. That
Condescending means behaving as if you are better, smarter, or more important than others. मराठीमध्ये condescending म्हणजे समोरच्या व्यक्तीला कमी लेखून किंवा स्वतःला श्रेष्ठ समजून वागणारा.